Второй класс, английский язык. Звездный английский. Я умею петь. Домашнее задание. Страница 106, 107, 108, 109. English. Starlight 2. I can sing. Homework. Page number 106, 107, 108, 109. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 106, 106. The fisherman and the fish. Прослушай слова, покажи соответствующие им картинки и повтори слова за диктором. Rich, sad, clothes, jewelry, stable. Прослушай и прочитай продолжение сказки. The fisherman's wife is still very angry. You are a fool. She shouts and stamps her feet. We are poor. I want to be rich. Go back and tell the fish. The poor fisherman goes back to the sea. The sky is grey and the old man is sad. He calls the fish, and it swims up to him. Please, don't be angry, dear fish, says the fisherman. My wife wants to be rich. Okay, you can have your wish. Go home now, says the fish and swims away. The fisherman goes home. Now his house is very big and beautiful. His wife is wearing new clothes and a lot of jewelry. I hope you are happy now, said the fisherman. But she does not answer. She sends him to live in the stable. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 107. 107. Storyland. Exercise number 1. Прочитай сказку еще раз и закончи предложение, выбрав правильные слова. Rich, sad, clothes, jewelry, stable. The answer. The fisherman's wife is still very angry. She wants to be rich. The fisherman is sad. He asks the fish for a big house. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Посмотри на картинки и заполни пирамиду словами. The answer. Sad, fish, happy, stable, clothes, jewelry. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Сыграй в игру и изобрази героя сказки. Mind the story. But the fisherman's wife is still very angry. The answer. She shouts and stamps her feet. The old man is sad. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 108. 108. Exercise number 4. Прослушай песенку и спой ее. Are you happy, my dear wife? My dear wife, my dear wife. Are you happy, my dear wife? Now that you are rich. I don't want him in my house. In my house, in my house. I don't want him in my house. He's no good for me. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 109. 109. Exercise number 1. Повтори звуки и слова за диктором и покажи соответствующие им картинки. A. Snail. O. Boat. A. Snail. O. Boat. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Прочитай слова и предложения вслух своим одноклассникам. A. Snail. Rain. Sail. Train. Spain. Tail. Wait. The snail is on the train. It is on its way to Spain. Happy holiday, dear snail. O. Boat. Goat. Goal. Soap. Float. Coat. Road. The goat with the coat is on the boat. Have some soap for your coat, dear goat. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Посмотри на картинки. Заполнив пропуски, закончи предложения и прочитай их. The answer. The snail can sail on the lake. The goat is on the boat. The train is in the rain. Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. Прослушай песенку и спой ее. It's good to sail in the rain in Spain and float on a boat in the sea. It's good to sail in the rain in Spain. That's the life for me. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing makes so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Clouds say goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Clouds say goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing makes so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Clouds say goodbye, please don't cry. Give me a smile, look at my wings. Clouds say goodbye,